मुंडा so versatile and a bit shy. जिदे ते कुड़ियां मर्दियां ने ठाए ठाए. Barun Sopti with me today. Hi, such a cute boy. See, he's smiling already. So hi, I am RJ Sana from My FM. How are you, Barun? And how's this pandemic treating you?
Uh, Pandemic is equally brutal to everyone, I guess. But personally, it's not been very stressful for me because I had a lot of time with my little girl. Uh, uh, but I just hope that it came at a lesser cost. Uh, so yeah,
And
I'm
and
actually not a
also,
very social person anyway.
yes, you are not one. So you know what?
Yeah.
During these pandemic times, we were all very online. हमने PUBG खेली और हमने बहुत ज़्यादा
अब तो
Instagram
बैन
use
हो गई है.
किया.
अब तो बैन हो गई.
है ना? अच्छा, आपने पेंडेमिक में क्या किया? Did you like do something ऐसे extraordinary? जैसे मैंने तो कुकिंग की घर पे, आलू गोभी was my
I
thing.
did that. I was very surprised. I actually made terrific Arabiata spaghetti with mushrooms. I what? I made some Chinese stuff, which was very good. I'm very surprised. पता नहीं कैसे बनाया ऐसा. So I
Right.
did that. I read a lot of books. I read a lot of scripts. I shot one show. I watched a lot of content. I watched a lot of documentaries. And I
Yes.
spoke a lot.
Right. अच्छा, since you know you're this heartthrob of the country with millions followers, but आप हो नहीं हो, हम जिससे आपसे connect नहीं कर सकते हैं. So tell me one thing, like since you did not think of coming into acting, but you are here with us. So how does that feel? Does that still give you nervousness जब आप on screen जाते हैं कि oh God, like, or are you like chill?
I am chill. I'm not, but in fact, I look at it as an opportunity every time I'm going to shoot something. It's a magical thing, magical for the lack of a better word, but it's a very empowering feeling. Basically, what happens is when the camera rolls, there is nobody else. It's only the actors that are going to make whatever they're going to make. So it's a very empowering feeling. I really enjoy that.
अच्छा, पहले आपने टीवी से शुरुआत की, then you came into movies and now web series, and Hala Hal is coming on 21st of September. It's releasing and the trailer is bump. You know, you're a
Right,
Punjabi.
thank you.
It is bump. It is very
Yeah.
funny. बहुत suspense है उस ट्रेलर में और आपकी एक्टिंग और कुछ डायलॉग्स उस ट्रेलर में कितना कुछ ऑलरेडी देखने को मिल गया. So tell me, you playing this corrupt cop, you know? So जब
At
आपको
the face of it, yeah.
so जब आपको स्क्रिप्ट सुनाई गई, how was it? Your first experience?
मेरे को जब स्क्रिप्ट सुनाई गई थी तो that was a long time back actually. But I loved it as soon as I heard it. और ट्रेलर तो हाँ, you're right कि हाँ ट्रेलर बम है, लेकिन the great thing is कि the trailer is not giving away a lot actually,
It is
frankly.
not. Yeah.
Yeah, which is great. It's still such a great trailer. So that's a good thing. मेरे को जब ये स्क्रिप्ट आइडिया मिला था, I latched onto it because I just didn't want to let it go.
Right. So you just said कि आपको long time पहले से ये स्क्रिप्ट पता थी, but it also kind of writes in a trailer that it is from a relatable incident, you know, suicide or murder, which is somehow kind of relatable right now. So
No, that's not the point. The point is it's based on some unreasonable things that are done in the educational system, and where the money is tampered with. So illegalities basically, which should not be done. It's based on that, the irregularities of the educational system. Not the murder or the suicide is not the event we're talking about. It's the fictional account of real events that happened with respect to some irregularities, as I said, with the educational system up north state.
Okay. अच्छा, आपने comments section खोल के देखा, because I think that is the most interesting part. कुछ भी डलता है, आपने comments पढ़े?
किस चीज के comments?
ट्रेलर के नीचे.
मतलब YouTube में?
Yes.
Oh, actually, मैं नहीं पढ़े, पर my mother-in-law actually said the same thing what you're saying right now. So I'll read that.
You
She
have
was like,
to read it. मतलब कोई ऐसा comment नहीं था जिसमें आपके बारे में बात नहीं की हुई, and people are looking forward for this, and it is really thrilling to be looking at you in this new avatar. You know, आपने हमेशा से ही बहुत different roles किए हैं, and this cop again is very thrilling. So you should go and read the comment section.
I will definitely do that. Yeah.
अच्छा, and how is this title coming up? हाला हाल, ये इसके पीछे की story?
Yeah, initially the movie was going to be called Mrityu Lok,
Okay.
but Halal came about. I think it was a brilliant idea to come up with this title. So Halal actually is the poison that Lord Shiva had to consume in order to find Amrit.
Oh.
And right, and so anecdotically, it's uh, matched in the film because the character Sachin Sir's character is called Dr. Shiv,
Okay.
and the society is the poison that he has to consume to find out his truth.
अच्छा अच्छा एंड जब आपको पता लगा कि अब आप ये कॉप वाला करने वाले हैं रोल तो हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस इन दैट कुछ एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट्स डाले आपने और इट जस्ट केम लाइक यू नो यू आर ऑलरेडी वेरी चिल अच्छा आप तो मेकअप भी नहीं करते हैं यू नो सो आई थिंक दैट अच्छा आपको कभी सुन उठ के अपने आप पे क्रश हुआ है डैम यार लुक एट मी मतलब कम ऑन मतलब दिस इज लाइक सो डिफरेंट टू हियर दैट एन एक्टर और एन एक्ट्रेस लाइक अभी तो चलो एक्टर की हम बात कर रहे हैं यू डोंट पुट एनीथिंग ऑन योर फेस एंड इट्स क्रश वश नहीं होने को शीशे में देख के सुन उठ के
Thank God नहीं हुआ यार. If I was taking myself so seriously, I would have gotten nowhere in my life. But that was hilarious. You're very funny actually. This is the first time I've heard anything like that. So नहीं क्रश वश तो नहीं हुआ पर जब Yusuf the cop there was offered to me. I remember the primary things that were in my mind were कि हमारी country में क्या होता है कि people are judged only by their profession or sexual orientation. अगर बाय चांस कोई बंदा अगर गे है लेट्स से तो उसने लाइफ में चाहे 30 बुकर प्राइज विनिंग नॉवेल्स लिखे हो उसने लिटरेचर का किंग हो ये कुछ आज सोसाइटी इज ओनली गोना कॉल कि हाँ वो तो गे है
हाँ सही है
या अगर कोई एक्टर है लेट्स से जिसने who's been a terrific father maybe let's say been a terrific lover son or brother all of his life it's categorized only by कि हाँ वो एक्टर उसकी बात कर रहे हो likewise with the police wala people अच्छा वो पुलिस वाला kind of a thing so that I had primary thought was that I know everyone's going to be talking like कि Barun's playing a cop Barun's playing a cop but I should not remember or should not forget the fact that this guy is a human being my strength of portraying characters has been the psychology of the characters that I understand and I had to make sure keep it constantly on my mind that this is a real person that we're talking about and every cop is a real person they're not only cops there's a reason why they do the things that they do because of the way they are brought up the circumstances in their lives and how and what their brain tells them insecurities maybe so that had to be kept alive and that's the primary thing that I had in my mind when Yusuf was offered to me so I was very excited with that respect dialect and the look are these are the gimmicks that are put in place for the they're like a channel for the real thing to be said so these while these things are great they wouldn't mean anything if the character was not done well
राइट you're true in saying that अच्छा एक इसमें डायलॉग भी तो है पुलिस के रिलेटेड कि पुलिस की इमेज तो ऐਵੇਂ ही मूवीज में बिगाड़ी हुई है अदरवाइज पहुंचते तो हम लोग टाइम पे डू यू बिलीव
यार आई टेल यू व्हाट वो हम लोगों की ना प्रॉब्लम ये है कि हम लोग हर चीज को अपने से रिलेट करते हैं एज ह्यूमन बीइंग्स वी आर वेरी सिंगुलर इन द वे वी थिंक कि मुझे कैसा फील हो रहा है और मैंने कैसे जज करना है किसी को द कॉप्स आर वेरी शॉर्ट नंबर्ड इन आवर कंट्री and the cases are phenomenal because our citizen is a rowdy citizen so you can't blame the cops for and there's no protocol in place ऐसा होता है कि if you want to measure something ना there has to be a metric कि भाई अगर कंप्लेन करने के बाद इतने टाइम बाद नहीं पहुंचे तो इतने बाद डैशबोर्ड बनाओ और इतने टाइम के बाद तुम फायर हो जाओगे अब वो है नहीं कुछ जो गवर्नमेंट ही इतनी लीनियंट है तो हाउ यू ब्लेम द कॉप्स but obviously there is a delay with respect to the emergency that a person is in because obviously cops को तो कोई मिठाई खिलाने के लिए फोन करता नहीं so the people call them in emergencies and उस टाइम पे 1 मिनट बहुत ज्यादा लगता है
yes अच्छा तो आप अपने आप को कौन से करेक्टर के साथ रिलेट करते हैं लाइक चुलबुल पांडे वाला कॉप या फिर वांटेड या फिर सिंघम वाला कॉप ऐसा कुछ या फिर अपना वाला
यार बहुत तगड़ी एक्सरसाइज थी ये कि जो सिनेमैटिक वर्स में एक कॉप की इमेज है उससे बिल्कुल दूर रहना है और मतलब आई हैव नेवर एक्चुअली सीन ऑल ऑफ दीस फिल्म्स आल्सो बट ट्रेलर्स वगैरह देखे हैं तो आई नो एंड यू नो देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ आर्गुमेंट अराउंड देम एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट सो द इंटेंशन वाज टू डिपिक्ट दिस रियल वल्नरेबल आदमी जो जैसे जाट होते हैं, यू फ्रॉम पंजाब,
यस,
तो जाट कैसे होते हैं, मतलब कि जाटों को फर्क नहीं पड़ता है भाई,
नहीं फर्क पड़ता,
वो
पंगा ले
वो
लेते हैं, हाँ।
पंगा लेते हैं, उनको जोक मारना ही मारना है अपना, जितनी मर्जी डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन हो। एट द सेम टाइम दे आर ह्यूमन, मतलब वल्नरेबल भी होते हैं कि भाई कुछ बात, मतलब अगर हो रही है लेट्स से लड़ाई, ऐसा नहीं कि एक पुलिस वाला अगर मारता है तो पुलिस वाला मारता ही है, खानी भी पड़ती है यार पुलिस वालों को। So it's like that. The important thing was to keep him real. It was a very there was a strong decision कि भाई वो सब नहीं करना, हीरोगिरी।
अच्छा, नहीं करना। अच्छा, अब देखो OTT प्लेटफॉर्म पे रिलीज हो रही है हमारी हाल, तो यू थिंक, जैसे अब लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे भी OTT हम लोगों ने बहुत ज्यादा यूज किया है ना, सो यू थिंक दैट दिस हैज द पोटेंशियल, अब ये आगे OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स विल टेक अ पीक? आई पर्सनली बिलीव, है ना?
Yeah, of course, definitely. I'm not saying that it's going to take away any pie of the film going audience that go to the theaters. That's a different experience altogether. But where OTT is right now is, I think, creatively the highest any Indian industry has been. But at the same time, I don't think this is the highest high. There's a very long way to go.
Yes. अच्छा, the trailer is bump, the music is amazing, the suspense is all there, fun है, interesting है सारा का सारा ट्रेलर। I hope ये बहुत मजेदार रहे आपके लिए भी एक्सपीरियंस, और हम भी आपको इस अवतार में जब देखें, it goes really well. So 21 सितंबर को रिलीज हो रही है हाल। अच्छा, जाने से पहले क्विक क्वेश्चंस, ठीक है? So tell me the best part about, or what have you learned after being a father? कोई ऐसी अपने आप में कोई चीज आई है, इवॉल्व हुए हो आप जैसे?
डायपर चेंज कर लेता हूँ अब मैं।
So cute.
And change, I think, हाँ, it's अब यार the life changes ना, it's about her now, it's not about your own self. It's yeah, it's a flip.
The last thing that you might have Googled, all I know is that you don't Google yourself because you say that I am not that interesting. Or have you started in Googling yourself? Have you?
नहीं, ये बात पहले भी कभी किसी ने करी थी कि I've said I'm not that interesting. My point is not that I'm a boring personality.
You know, ask us.
So my point was that that whole idea of being on social media is usually saying great things about your own self, and I find those people very boring, and I don't want to be that person. So that's what the idea was. And the last thing I Googled was, let me check.
देख रहे हो?
हाँ, देख रहा.
This is interesting.
The last thing I'd Googled was George Takei. So he's an actor on The Big Bang Theory. He's a very पुराना American actor.
Yes.
So, yeah.
Yes. अच्छा, एक चीज जो अपने नेचर में पक्का वाला चेंज करना चाहते हो, is there anything?
अपनी नेचर में? I wish I could sleep less.
Oh, I have the same. चलो ठीक है. Yes. अच्छा, one character that you would love to do again, like कोई ऐसा कैरेक्टर, या आप कुछ भी और करना चाहेंगे? अब ये भी बहुत versatile पार्ट आप प्ले करने वाले हैं.
I had a very good time. I had a very good time doing Yusuf. I think dark comedy is one of the most difficult things to achieve as an actor. Yeah. Or I'm not saying I'm there, but I have so much fun while doing stuff like that, where दो तीन meaning होते हैं एक चीज के, because I get bored very easily. So yeah, something like Yusuf again would be great.
Right, पता है सोशल मीडिया पे आपके फैन पेजेस बने हुए हैं इतने सारे, एंड वहां पे कितने फॉलोअर्स हैं, आपकी वीडियोस क्यूट वाली आती है. सो डू यू एवर लाइक थिंक कि शायद मैं कभी तो ज्वाइन करूं सोशल मीडिया? डू यू?
हाँ, ऐसा नहीं है. बस बहुत एक अच्छी क्वालिटी है वो मेरे में. एक्चुअली आई वुडंट से कि बुरी बात है कि मैं सेल्फ ऑब्सेस्ड नहीं हूँ बहुत ज्यादा. तो if I get onto social media, or let's say Instagram, I will try to find a way where I can be of some kind of benefit for the people that are following me, instead of अपनी फोटो दिखाता रहूँगा.
Right. Yeah. So thank you so much, and I hope your new web series does wonders. We are really excited for it, and it was lovely talking to you. मतलब मुझे ऐसा बहुत ही अच्छी feeling आ रही है. I want to flaunt to people out there. So thank you for being a part of my family, and yeah, thank you. I hope you have a great day, and बहुत अच्छा experience रहा आपका. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Take care.
कुछ अच्छा 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 अच्छा, आज कुछ अच्छा सुनते हैं।